And the administration in Agra has been left red-faced after videos have emerged showing people kept at a quarantine center crowding near a locked gate to receive essential supplies like food. You can see them scrambling for biscuits and water that is literally thrown at them. Look at that. That person in the PPE suit literally just throwing some of these essentials at them at the gate, and they scramble for it like animals.
मरीजों के साथ ये कंडीशन की जा रही है, इन सबको यहाँ पे लाया गया है ये बोलकर कि आपका मेडिकल चेकअप किया जाएगा, बट यहाँ कोई चेकअप किया नहीं जा रहा। इनमें से मैं भी एक हूँ, ज्योति वर्मा। मुझे ये कह के यहाँ लाया गया कि आपका SN में जाके मेडिकल चेकअप होगा, बट यहाँ पे कोई भी मेरा मेडिकल चेकअप नहीं हो रहा है। यहाँ सब प्रशासन, डॉक्टर सब लापरवाही दिखा रहे हैं अपनी हर एक प्रकार से। ना यहाँ पे लोगों को प्रॉपर खाने के लिए दिया जा रहा है, ना पीने के लिए दिया जा रहा है।
SGI में आई शिकायतों के बारे में मेरे द्वारा स्थलीय निरीक्षण किया गया। सुबह भी निरीक्षण किया गया था। हम सारी व्यवस्थाएं ठीक करा दी गई हैं। जो गैप रहा है और जो शिकायत आई थी उसके संबंध में मुख्य विकास अधिकारी को अलग से रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स करने के लिए आदेशित किया गया है। अलग से जब टीम बनाई गई थी, किसकी कमी रही उसको वह देख लें और एक रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत कर दें ताकि हम उसमें रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स कर सकें। आगे से टीम को कहा गया है कि ठीक से कार्य करें और इस तरह की शिकायतें दोबारा न आए।
Well, so it's important, I think, first of all, to note that the government has taken note of these videos, in fact, and the district magistrate of Agra says that he actually went to that quarantine center, which is in a private college in Agra, and ensured that the gaps, quote-unquote, were fixed. So that is an admission that there was something wrong, and those videos are really shocking because they show, on one hand, a set of people who've been quarantined by the government towards one side of a locked gate, and then there is a scramble. Some biscuits are being thrown, there is some water that is kept, there is some tea that is kept. But is that the right way to, serve people who already are under a lot of trauma because they are in a quarantine center at the end of the day, and they would be very nervous, and then to treat them like that is really something that does jar in this scenario. Remember that Agra has been a city that has been the epicenter, if I can use that word, of the COVID-19 outbreak in Uttar Pradesh, and it has the maximum number of cases for any single area in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, earlier, if you remember, there was a lot of praise for what was called the Agra model of containment. But since then, many publications, some news channels have also exposed some glaring gaps in the way the COVID outbreak is being handled there. By and large, the administration has been responsive. They have been looking at complaints and they've been trying to set things right. In this scenario, in this case, these visuals, something that, at the end of the day, needed to be addressed, and that action has been taken by the government. There's no doubt about it. But then one does hope that these things will not be repeated. There will be no need for somebody to film something like this to show a desperate scramble for something as basic as food and water, something that is the right of every patient or every person in quarantine.